You should take your cake here and then blow your candle.
Oh, so nice.
So cute. Wait. Wait. Wish. No, I will sing first.
I'm not allowed to say out loud what I'm wishing for.
Hurrah for thy so and it or that I will be grateful. You should sing with me.
Why should I sing?
Birthday
I don't want to sing.
Hi guys, good afternoon, and today guys, finally our table is here, and look at that. Okay. There is the truck, the delivery guy is here, so but I will not be filming. I'll just film the table after. There is it after how many months, my love? Is it so heavy? And it's just two of them?
It was just one guy carrying it.
Nine.
The other one was just walking behind.
Really? Oh my god, poor thing.
Holy fuck.
Stockosh.
He said 80 kilos, but that can't be correct.
It's so heavy, oh my god.
Yeah, 67 kilos.
67?
That's almost like me.
67 times 2.
No, I just got to
How did he carry it?
I carry it like that.
Really?
No.
Oh my god, stockosh. Yeah, you can do it.
I can do it.
But the battery is soon to be empty.
Honey, remember, if it's too long, we're not gonna change it. And you have to carry it down yourself.
No.
I'm not carrying this one down. Just so we're clear.
Maybe they put the, you know, the extension.
Extension is there, I guess.
You told me it's the vine.
Yeah, I thought so, but maybe I guess that's the extension.
I just vacuum.
Yeah. I don't know how we should do this.
Ay.
Is it so fancy?
It is so nice. Ay. Are you holding?
Yeah, I'm holding. You
Wait.
hold it?
Why your eyes is so big, Malone? I was holding it. Oh no.
I'm gonna take the legs.
So easy with that, huh? Just roll it, roll it. Roll it.
Yeah,
Roll it on the river. So guys, ito na po yung table namin. Ito yung itsura niya. Na siya, oak siya na maputi. Ay, hindi naman yung masyadong puti. Pero hindi siya yung brown color. So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, bibili pa kami ng mga upuan. Siguro mga 6 na upuan para magkasya siya dito.
Seven hours later.
Flowers. This is called rose. This.
That is not a rose, honey.
It's called rose there at the store. Rose bouquet. But that is daisy. There's a birthday
That is not a
boy.
rose.
Birthday boy. See, it's so nice. Without a chair. Where's our chair, Annie?
You need to buy the shares now.
You should take your cake here and then blow your candle.
Oh, so nice.
So cute. Wait! Wait! Wish. Now, I will sing first.
I'm not allowed to say out loud what I'm wishing for.
Hurrah for thy so and it or that I will be grateful. You should sing with me.
Why should I sing?
Birthday
I don't want to
you.
sing.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You should blow the candle naman. Hey, you didn't wish.
But I wish.
You wish
You're
already?
not allowed to say what I
No,
wish,
but
and it doesn't come true.
But you should wish.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
That is so fast.
I already know what I wish for.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
It's time to eat cake.
Look at that cake. It's so cute. It's like it's not na my cake.
Yeah.
It's from Mini, you know. But you have other cake.
Or they have a lot of cakes.
Because I like the chocolate. I don't like so much like that. It's marzipan. You can eat my marzipan.
Oh, you don't like that?
Not so much. We don't use to marzipan there.
There's more than a few. Is it what the Zoroastrians would call for shock already? Or are we contaminated with sprinkle the earth with zombie dust?
You eat so much.
Or was it a Defense Department weapon?
Oh, this is for you.
Nah.
Or how about
I just eat so little.
1 hour later.
Is that pork?
Yep.
I thought we're not eating pork.
Yeah, we're not.
And we have rice. There's the cook. Hi.
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 And there's the monkey. Hi.
It's so yummy. My love, we can eat that all. Why you cook it all? It's so many, guys. It's like 4.
You can eat that and I eat the rest. And then I eat the cakes.
So yummy. I hope it's yummy because it smells so yummy. Ikasan.
Yeah.
It's so noisy there. Oh, you got a card. Got a card from his birthday. So Zoe. Oh yeah, they remember that.
No.
They remember the anniversary. His parents, they always send a cards and they always send a birthday card like that. I'm gonna try this now, guys. This is pre-spice. It's yummy. It's like barbecue. Rice. You eat so little rice pala. He eats so less rice.